Let's break down. Let's break down how something called Bt toxin can take out pesky insect larvae without harming us or most other critters. First up, Bt stands for Bacillus thuringiensis, which is a mouthful, but it's just a bacteria that lives in soil. When certain insects munch on plants that have Bt toxin, things get, well, pretty rough for them. So imagine you're a caterpillar, just snacking away on a leaf. If that leaf has Bt toxin, you swallow tiny protein crystals along with your meal. Now these crystals are totally harmless to us, pets, most animals. But inside the gut of the insect larva, which is way more alkaline than ours, these crystals dissolve and release their true power. They turn into active toxins, which then latch onto special receptors in the lining of the insect's gut. Think of it like a key fitting perfectly into a lock that only exists inside the insect's stomach. When the toxin binds, it pokes holes in the gut lining. Suddenly, all the stuff inside the gut starts leaking out, and bacteria from the gut rush into the rest of the body. Pretty soon, the larva can't absorb nutrients, and infections kick in fast. Within a couple of days, the insect dies off, mission accomplished. Now here's the cool part. Humans, dogs, birds don't have that gut chemistry or those special locks, so the toxin can't do anything to us. That's why it's such a popular choice for organic farmers. They get to protect crops, but without spraying stuff that would hurt other animals or people. So, next time you hear about Bt toxin, you'll know it's like a microscopic ninja for plants, taking out only the bad guys and leaving the rest of us alone. Science is awesome, right? Science is awesome, right? Science is awesome, right? Bt targets insect larvae by activating in their alkaline gut, binding receptors, making pores, and allowing infections to finish the job. Bt targets insect larvae by activating in their alkaline gut, binding receptors, making pores, and allowing infections to finish the job. Alright, that's how Bt toxin works. Tiny, targeted, and effective. Alright, that's how Bt toxin works. Tiny, targeted, and effective.